Hello everyone, welcome back to PRAWN ASMR. So today I have another special dish to show you, but I'm gonna eat with the raw prawns. You guys see this? That is raw prawns, but I have cleaned it several times, especially with lemons and soda water to make sure it's safe to eat, okay? And I gonna eat with our fresh prawns with the fresh vegetable and of course with our sweet and spicy chili sauce. Okay guys, so please enjoy with me, okay? Come, I will show you. Okay, this one. So first we need to take, I don't know how to call it, like, because this one, if we eat this one inside, it's gonna be some. So because this one, okay, remove the outside. Okay, and one more I remove. Yeah. Get this one out. See, this one remove it out, and then oh, mmm, mmm, lemon, mmm. One more. Remove this one out. Okay. And then, and like this, and more. Okay, open your mouth. I used to eat with my right hand side, that's why I use this side, it's a bit difficult, okay? Mmm. Mmm. Huh. Just a small one. Okay. Then okay. everyone, so good. Today in my country there is a big raining. Okay, with this one. Huh? The prawns has a little bit with lemon. Then put some chili on it, and then okay, and this one more. Yeah. Okay, open it. Remove it out. And sorry. Oh. Okay. Mm. 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 This one is spicy, but spicy is delicious. Oh, this one is hard to move out. Mm. Okay, I cut it. This time I eat everything. Ready? Let's go. Oh, perfect dish. Okay, it's very delicious. So guys, thank you a lot for always support my videos and always like and subscribe us for all the time. Thank you big. So if for those who are just watching our video, don't forget to like and also subscribe for another interesting video from me. Okay, so one more thing. If you have any comments, ideas, suggestions, we are more than welcome. Just write down the comments below. Okay, so gonna see you for next video. Bye bye.